Let's discuss some Navisworks file formats that are available, or what are the file formats available in Navisworks. First, we have an NWC file. The extension of the file is called model.nwc, for example. NWC stands for Navisworks cache. The Navisworks cache is the file exported from Revit when you are working on Revit, AutoCAD, Civil 3D, Inventor, Tekla, or whatever, and you want to send your project or your model to Navisworks. You export it from your authoring tool, and this will result in an NWC file, which is a Navisworks cache, which stores all the data from your model. The next file format is called an NWF, or a Navisworks file. The Navisworks file contains all the NWC or all the Navisworks cache files as a live link. When you make a federated model is a model of the project containing all the disciplines or all the project data as a whole. When you make a 3D model for one project, let's say for example we have a structural model, architecture, and MEP model. Also we might have an infrastructure model. When we make a federated model, it's on Navisworks. This will be all the Revit models or Civil 3D, AutoCAD, whatever, combined into one file. This file is a Navisworks file. First, we export the NWC files from whatever software we are using. Then we combine them into one file on Navisworks and save the file, and this file will be an NWF. This file you can't send to anyone without the NWC files attached to it, because it's a live link. If you removed one NWC file or changed its path or the name or whatever, this link would be broken and it won't load anymore. So what we need to store all this data inside Navisworks for good comes the next file format, which is NWD, or Navisworks document. The Navisworks document is a standalone file or a document that could be sent to anyone or can be opened on any device because it contains all the data of the NWC or Navisworks cache files inside of it. Let's see another graph that explains the examples that I have mentioned before. Let's see that is a construction project that we're working on. It will have multiple NWC files. Let's see that the architecture model and the structural and MEP models. Each Revit model, for example, would produce an NWC file or a Navisworks cache file. After we work on Navisworks on these files, we will append or import them into Navisworks. When we save this file, it will make an NWF file that containing all these three files as live links. When we want to publish or we want to send this file to anyone without having to send the NWC files, we would publish the NWF file, and that will result in an NWD or Navisworks document containing all these files as a standalone document.